Hello guys! For today's video, I am flexing 3 oblong coins with different colors and with square hole at the center. Guys, these are 100 moon coins. Issuer Japan. This is the official coins of the Tokugawa Shogunate Japan. Emperor during that time, Ninko. Years 1835 to 1870. Their currency that time, Ryo. Composition of these coins, bronze. Guys, this is the obverse side. The 4 characters reads Tenpo Choho. Translation, Tenpo currency. The reverse side with 2 characters reads To Hayako. Translation equal hundreds. That's all guys. Thank you for watching.